bond valuation. See here, bond are issued by companies as a debt, just like debentures. Then bonds, they are issued by companies by way of a debt. Now you know about debentures and about bonds. First, you have what? Face value. Say face value is rupees 1000. Then the company issues bond at rupees 1000. Then there is something called coupon rate. Rate of interest paid on face value. Say 9%. What does it mean? Coupon rate is 9%. It means company will pay how much? Company will pay 9% on the bond value, face value of the bond. Okay. Now, mark price of the bond means market price of bond. Now, how the price of the bond is arrived at? This market price depends upon demand and supply of the bonds, but fair market price is equal to sum of present values of cash inflows associated with bond. Say a bond is going to give you cash flows of C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, 4 years में. So what is the value of bond here? Value of bond will be C1 upon 1 plus R, C2 upon 1 plus R the whole square, C3 upon 1 plus R the cube, and C4 upon 1 plus R is to 4. If the bond is redeemable in 4 years, then this will be the value of the bond. This will be called fair value of the bond. Okay, where R is what? Rate of return expected by bond holders. ये 5 मिनट की थ्योरी हुई है, समझ में आया तुम लोग को कि बॉन्ड की प्रेजेंट वैल्यू निकालने का. ओके, this R no R, if you are holding till end, R is also called YTM, that is yield to maturity. What? Yield to maturity. Now we will be learning about bond valuation and duration of bonds. The first part, okay. Duration of bond. This concept is formula based, but I'll teach you the logic behind that. Very few books have done what is duration of bond. They've just described what is duration of bond and then calculation. And students ने भी पकड़ लिया calculation क्या होता है. Question number 3. Using a lot of calculator here, you have to use a bond of rupees 1000 bearing coupon rate of 12% is redeemable at par in 10 years. You got the story here. क्या है बॉन्ड की स्टोरी? 1000 का बॉन्ड है, कूपन रेट इज 12%, फेस वैल्यू इज 1000, they will pay 12%, that is 120 rupees per year they will pay interest, and it's redeemable at par. After 10 years you will get back 1000 rupees. Find out the value of the bond if required return rate of return is 12% or 10% or 14%. Now see here, first you have to find the cash flows associated with the bond. It's very simple. It's extension of capital budgeting. Okay. See here. बॉन्ड से क्या कैश इनफ्लोज आने वाले? You will get interest as 120 up to how many years? 10 years. And last year you will get 120 plus 1000, है ना? First, second, say third, and this is what? 10th year. This is what you are going to get. What you will get in the bonds here? You will get 120 in the first year, 120 in the second year, 120 in the third year, and so on. Last year you will get 120 plus 1000. It is redemption at par. This is 10th year. These are the cash inflows. Now what do you have to do? You have to discount. At what rate? पढ़ो क्या लिखा है? A bond, ये मालूम पड़ा? A bond of 1000 bearing coupon rate of 12% is redeemable at par in 10 years. Find out the value of the bond if the required rate of return is 12. रिटर्न भी कितना मिलने वाला है? 12% ही मिलने वाला है ना? तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? उसका वैल्यू 1000 ही होगा क्योंकि सब 12 ही है. फिर भी हम चेक कर लेते हैं. क्या करेंगे? 120 डिवाइड बाय 1.12, 120 divided by 1.12 raised to 2, up to how many years? 10 plus how much? 1000 divided by. Getting the story? अब तो इतना सिंपल है ये. क्या करोगे? 120 इंटू क्या आएगा? P factor of 12 years, 10 years क्या आता है? 1.121 divided by 1 divided by 1.12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1000 into 0 पॉइंट, और ये आएगा कितना आता है? how much are getting? 5.65 नो into 120 कितना आता है? and 1000 into 0.3219 plus 322. You got value 1000 only. Same value आया कि नहीं? got the same value. Why you got the same value? You know, 1000 है ना, फेस वैल्यू आया कि नहीं? क्यों? You got the same 1000 value, no? This is 120 5.65. You know how it is right weight? 5.65 कैसे आया मालूम है? On 1000 into 0.3219. पता चला ना ये 10th year का है. Now here you got 1000 and the face value was 1000. Why? It was a very simple sum. Your coupon rate and your expected rate was same. Coupon rate and you are not getting, you are getting everything at par. No, redeemable at par था. Now suppose in this example the rate goes up to 14%, then what will happen? The value will be 1000 or value will be less than 1000? बोलो, less than 1000 हो जाएगा. Why? The bond is giving 12% and we expect how much? We expect 14%, but the bond is giving only how much? 12%. बॉन्ड कितना दे रहा है रिटर्न? 12, और हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं 14. तो फिर हम लोग उसको वैल्यू कम करेंगे ना कि 1000 का नहीं है, कम भाव का है ना. यस और नो? इट शुड नॉट बी परचेज एट व्हाट? 1000. इफ वी एक्सपेक्ट 10%, then the value will be higher than 1000 or not. Here it came 12%. Why? Because coupon rate क्या के लिए था? Coupon rate was same as expected rate. Now second question क्या है इसमें? Required rate is 10%. If the required rate is how much? 10%. Then what will happen? Required rate is 10%. Then price will be equal to 12 divided by 1.10. 12 divided by 1.10 is to 2. This becomes 12 divided by 1.10 is to 10, no? Plus, follow this. क्या आएगा? पी फैक्टर देखना पड़ेगा ना. सॉरी 120. कितना? 6.14. Okay, 120 into 6.14. कितना वैल्यू आता है? 11227 36.8 plus 0.3219 कितना आता है 1122 पॉइंट. ओके, follow this. This is what rate? Which rate? 10%. No. Shall you proceed further? Now try at what rate? 14. Plus 1000. कितना था 120 इंटू 5.22. नो 5.216 लिखो. ओके, 3 टर्म तक लो. प्लस 1000 इंटू 0.26. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 269 0 into 0.27. Okay, how much you're getting? 895.9. Okay, you got the value. This is simple problem on कैपिटल बजटिंग. ऐसे हमने सम किया भी है कैपिटल बजटिंग में. अग्फा लिमिटेड, उसमें अलग अलग कूपन रेट दी थी. अच्छा, ये समझा है स्टोरी कि नहीं?